What's going on, you guys? Abel here from Valley Shenanigans. So, it's a little bit late here in the day after work here, after hours, and we got a package here, so we got to try to assemble it before tomorrow's trip, and let's get right to it. So today we will be assembling this bad boy here. It's a Blackpak kayak crate, and this is a 16 by 16. So let's go ahead and get right to it and start assembling this thing, man. So this is what we're going to be doing tonight. Alright, let's get this opened up here. Alright, so kind of taking everything out of the box here. We have a few packets here. We got kit A, we got kit B, we got kit C, and kit D and kit E all here. So we're going to put all these things aside here, and we're only going to use kit A. We are going to find the bottom of the crate here, which is every single side here has either YAKATTAck or there's these two bigger pieces here. I got the 16 by 16. So this is the part we're going to use, and this will be the top. So go ahead and flip it with the grids down. We find our blank piece here. This will be the inside of our crate. And we start with one side here. Just kind of lock it in place here. Kind of want to get this ridge here right under here. Cool. Just like so. Now we grab kit A here, and these are the screws that are going to go holding these sidewalls to the crate. We're going to go ahead and be using a drill just to kind of get it started a little bit, but we'll be hand tightening down everything with the Phillips screwdriver. Let's get some of these screws. I want to hand start these screws here. We're going to go down as straight as possible here, slowly, so we don't strip the plastic. That's fine. I'll hand tighten the rest. We're going to go ahead and do the rest. Alright, now we get our kit B here, which is going to be kind of like the bottom pieces for the crate. So, kit B here. We're going to want to pull now in kit B, there's washers and screws here. We're going to go ahead and use these here. So we grab a washer. We place it right up in there. We'll grab our screw. We place it in there. Alright, there we go. That's the last one. Oh yeah. Whoa, I'm kind of shaking the table. Pretty grippy. Alright. And the next step is we grab the lid here. We're going to go right on the inside of the lid here. And we are going to attach these stoppers here for the lid to kind of silence the lid whenever you close it. If you look closely on the lid, there's a little space here right about the middle of the lid where these little things go, just like so. I think I put this upside down there. I believe it goes upside down like this. So, yeah. Alright, next is kit C, and this is like the hinges and stuff, so let's get to it. So we're going to go ahead and locate a few items here from kit C, which are going to be these longer bolts here. There's two of these longer bolts here, and of course there's two nylon nuts here as well. Put those here, and then we're going to go ahead and assemble these hinges here. Alright, so there's two pieces here. There's a bigger piece, and then there's a smaller piece. So we're going to go ahead and wedge them in here like this together. Go ahead and insert the bolts here. Start it all along. I like to use my drill because it is a little pain in the butt to get up in there. Now, I stop right before I get up in there. And then you're going to get your nut. Put it in there. You hold it. There you go. Alright, so the bigger part goes up top here. Next, we got to get the other sides of the hinge here from kit D. We put those together. So we're going to go ahead and put this just like so, right up in here. Like so. Go ahead and get it turned around. I can even go ahead and just clip this there. Grab a screw here. So now we're going to attach these Omni corner brackets, and this is just a way here so that you can attach your bungee cord if they go on the corner here. go ahead and get started on the tubes, on the tether tubes. We're going to use kit E for this. You want to put it down through the square area here. Run down that bungee, pull it through. Secure the little knot in the hole there. You're going to feed your bungee cord right through that middle hole there. Along this groove here. All the way till it clicks. You come down this way like so. Here, down this way here. You will attach this piece there with a simple screw. Like so. Go ahead and make another overhand knot at the other side here. Bring it up here. Right up top of there. Cinch it down. There it is. Alright, you guys. Now we just finished attaching the handle here. Just like so. That's pretty much it right there. You guys, so it took us a little over an hour here to build this kayak crate, and pretty happy with it. It feels very firm. You know, it's definitely a lot more lightweight than what I had, and very happy with the tether. Time to arrange it.